Hi, my name is Adam Whitehouse and I will be talking to you about characteristics of waves. If you don't already know what a wave is, it is a disturbance that transfers energy from one place to another. Energy is the ability to do work. The material a wave travels through is called a medium. Gases, such as air, liquids, such as water, and solids, such as rope, will act as mediums. If a medium does not change, the speed of the wave stays constant. Waves that require a medium are called mechanical waves, and waves that do not need a medium are called electromagnetic waves. Not all waves need a medium to travel through. Mechanical waves are produced when a source of energy causes a medium to vibrate. A vibration is a repeated back and forth or up and down motion. There are two types of waves, transversal and longitudinal waves. Waves that move up and down are called transverse waves. The top part of a wave is called the crest and the bottom of the wave is called the trough. A longitudinal wave is a wave that moves side to side, from left to right. If you were to stretch a slinky and push and pull one end, you can produce a longitudinal wave. A longitudinal wave is also known as a compression wave. A compressional wave has two main parts of the wave, which are compressions and rarefactions. Compressions are squeezed together parts of the wave and the rarefactions are the spread out parts of the wave. The basic properties of a wave are amplitude, wavelength, frequency, and speed. Amplitude is the maximum distance from the resting position. Wavelength is the distance between the corresponding parts of the wave. Frequency is the number of times of completed waves that passes a given point in a certain amount of time. Frequency is measured in units called hertz. If the frequency of a wave increases, the amplitude decreases. Every wave that occurs every second is a frequency of 1 hertz. To calculate the speed of a wave, you multiply the wavelength by the frequency to get the speed of the wave. To calculate the frequency of a wave, you divide the speed by the wavelength to get the frequency of that wave. To get the wavelength of the wave, you divide the speed by the frequency to get the wavelength of the wave. A wave always is a resting position. When a wave bounces off an object, it is called reflection. When a wave travels through an object, it is called diffraction. Diffraction is when a wave bends around an object. Interference is the interaction between waves that meet. There are two types of interferences, which are constructive and destructive interferences. When two waves combine to make larger amplitude, it is called a constructive interference. Say you go bowling. So when you bowl the bowling ball, it hits the pins with a constructive or a destructive inference depending on how you bowl the bowling ball. When you combine the two waves together to get smaller amplitude, it is called a destructive interference. So again, when you bowl the bowling ball, it hits the pins, which will cause sound waves, and sound waves do not need a medium to travel. That is it for today, and I hope to see you next time.